The animals are out playing on the farm. They want to play hide and seek. Do you think we can find all the animals in their hiding places? What's that noise I hear coming from behind the farmhouse? What animal makes that noise? Look who it is. It's a mommy chicken and her chick. This is a chicken. I think I see someone rustling behind the corn in the vegetable garden. Let's take a closer look. Who is that fluffy white animal playing in the corn? It's a sheep. Hello, sheep. I think I see someone peeking out from behind the red barn. Who could that be? This animal is white, with black spots and a pink nose. Can you guess which animal is hiding behind the barn? That's right. It's a cow. Where should we look next? I think I see someone hiding in the lake, behind the river reeds. What animal makes that noise? That's right. It's a duck. Hello, duck. Who's that splish-sploshing in the mud? Who could that be? This animal is pink with a cute little curly tail. Can you guess who is hiding in the mud? Well done. That's right, it's a pig. The day is nearly over at Alphabet Farm. Thank you for learning about animals and the alphabet. We'll see you next time at Alphabet Farm.